Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about the transfer order. So why we use transfer order? Transfer order is used to transfer one particular item, one particular release product actually from one location to another location. In D365 FO we will transfer it using the from one warehouse to another warehouse within one legal entity. Okay. So if I click on the transfer orders, a transfer order list form will be opened and then you can click on the new button and then select the which warehouse to which warehouse you want to transfer. So let's say for example I want to transfer it from warehouse number 11 to warehouse number 13. From raw material to finished products I want to transfer for one particular item. So what item I want to transfer? I will go to the inventory management module, and on the inventory management module I will check the on hand list of the product which I'm going to use. So at the 11 warehouse I will choose a product. The product choice is important, so we will choose the which product. So let's say I am choosing D0023. Okay, so standard speaker. So D0023, it is a 10 particular inventory at the 11 warehouse. So let us select this particular product. And how much is the quantity? I want to transfer two quantity of this product from 11 warehouse to 13 warehouse. So after this you need to come to the inventory and reserve it, because shipping before shipping we have to reserve it for that particular location. So let's click on the reserve lot and two items will be reserved. You can click on the back button, then you can go to the ship and click on based on the warehouse activity you can release to warehouse, or you can simply click on the ship transfer order. So shipping the transfer order, update the all items and then click on the OK button. So it will ship the item. The status of this particular transfer order will be changed to the shipped. So you can see the item is now shipped. Second thing, you can receive it. Click on the receive button over here and again update all the items and then click on the OK button. Okay, so now the item is received. Simply you can transfer one particular item from one warehouse to another warehouse, but yes, you need to check the what are the characteristics of this item. If it is a standard cost item, you will need a to activate the cost price. Okay, so this was a normal item. So if you go to the item over here, you will see what is the item model group. So basis on the item model group, you have to choose. Okay, so this is the item number. Item group is audio. Okay, and I'm concerned about the item model group. Hmm. So you can see this is a standard item model group is standard cost. Okay, and if I go to the item price over here, you will see that this standard cost should be available. Okay, then only you will be able to transfer it from one particular warehouse to another warehouse. Similarly, if you want to see, you can come over here and you can click on the transfer order history. So in the transfer order history, you will find out the shipment and the receive. Okay, so these details you will find out over here. Other than this, you can also click on the ship option and transfer order overview also you can see. Okay, so let me check one more thing over here which we can see. So you can check the inventory option, and under the inventory option you can check the transactions of this particular inventory. So you will find out that -2, and then it is purchased at the second warehouse which is an in-transit warehouse. 29, if you select over here, it is the in-transit warehouse. So it is transferred to firstly to the transit warehouse, and from the transit warehouse it is then transferred to the main location. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the chat, and I will also add a description of this particular document in my YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you. If there is anything, please do comment in my section in my video. Okay, so thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye.